So this is R2D2.
Just right in the corner.
And he is, I think he's 64 centimetres tall. He is a very big guy. And he has on the bottom wheels, which it slots in. Thank you. And that takes 4 AA batteries. And the controller, thank you. The controller takes 1 9-volt battery. Plenty of power. And this is BB8. Hello, BB8. He's not quite as nicely shaped as I'd like, but he's still enough of a ball, aren't you? And very cute. He's 43 centimetres tall. And there's his wheels. And he has 2 moving wheels, 2 non-powered wheels. Bye, BB8.
And then he takes the head. And then I kick him.
I love R2D2 scream.
And then he does.
Oh!
Makes him go down. And then he gets revenge.
Are they not meant to be friends?
They're friends.
Has R2 gone to the dark side?
Yeah.